Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the hole so you know what repair method will hold. Remove paint and rust down to bare metal with a grinder and wire brush. This exposes sound metal and prevents failure. Measure the hole diameter and sheet thickness. These numbers determine patch size and weld settings. Prepare a patch slightly larger than the hole and cut it to fit. Put on eye protection and respirator. Once done, clamp the patch nearby so you can proceed without interruptions. You fit the patch and control heat to avoid warping. Cut the patch to leave a small gap of about 1/8 to 1/4 inch for proper weld penetration. That gap also reduces burn-through. Tack weld the patch in a staggered pattern every 1/2 to 1 inch to pull metal evenly. Let the metal cool between tacks, then grind the tacks smooth. This prevents heat buildup and keeps the surface flat. Make sure to check alignment and reclamp if distortion appears. You finish by completing the weld and protecting the repair. Use stitch or plug welding, short runs with cooling intervals, to fill the joint because long continuous welds cause warping and weaken paint adhesion. Grind the weld flush, feather the edges, and clean the area, then apply epoxy primer followed by seam sealer to prevent corrosion. Test strength by gently pressing. If you see porosity or cracks, regrind to sound metal and re-weld those spots. Then reseal to restore protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.